And this is the sky. Dark as fuck over here. This is the west at my house, and this is the east of my house. It is dark as fuck. It's probably like, it's 6:33. It's light as fuck over here, and this is the east, and it's 6:33 at night. Damn, it's dark. And it's windy as fuck. That siren is the siren for like tornadoes and shit. Telling people to get the fuck in the house. It's dark as fuck. I'm gonna go to the front of the house, see how it looks like. This is the front east of the house. This is the front west of the house. It is dark as fuck. And this is literally where the sun is setting in.